Okay, it's time to learn the ABCs in American Sign Language. Okay, so what will you be learning? Well, let me show you. Here we go. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Aha! That's right, the ABCs in American Sign Language. Okay, so how are we going to do it? Well, we have a separate video for each letter. This way we can guarantee that you understand the hand shape, the finger position, hand position, and how it works, okay? So we're going to have the whole alphabet, but we'll divide it up into groups. So we'll do groups of letters individually, and after we've learned that group of letters, we'll have review, all right? To make sure you can sign and understand those letters, okay? So we'll do a group of letters review, group of letters review, like that, as we make our way through the alphabet. Okay, after we've learned all the letters, well, it's time to practice the full alphabet at different speeds. Okay, after that, we're going to make sure that you understand the whole alphabet and that you're able to sign the whole alphabet. We'll have some fun doing some finger spelling and recognition exercises. And after that, well, we'll put it to use. We're going to do some finger spelling. We'll do letter combinations, words. All right, by the end of this course, you're going to master the ABCs in American Sign Language. What are we waiting for? Let's get started.